Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to open Gmail in reading mode on your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Begin by opening Gmail in your preferred web browser. Enter your login credentials to access your inbox. Step 2. Once you're on the Gmail page, simply right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Step 3. From the menu, select the Open in Reading Mode option. This action will switch Gmail to a simplified, distraction-free interface, perfect for focused reading and browsing through your emails. Reading mode in Gmail provides a clutter-free environment, removing unnecessary elements and advertisements, allowing you to concentrate on the content of your emails. And there you have it. By following these quick and easy steps, you can now enjoy the benefits of reading mode in Gmail on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips.